Indonesia, the largest archipelagic country in the world, consists of 17,504 islands with a land area and waters of almost 5 million square kilometers, consists of a variety of races, ethnicities, and cultures, as well as its natural scenery that tame the eye. Mountains, oceans, and rice fields that stretch from Sabang to Merauke become local wisdom and national identity that is second to none until now. This is my Indonesia, our Indonesia. Hello guys, before I explain the material today, let me introduce myself. My name is Rifan Fadroman Hidayat. I am from International Relations Program Study Class of 2021. With pleasure, I will explain to all of you about two things related to the final assessment text for the PKN course. The first, I will tell you about the identity of a nation. What is national identity? And why is it important? Second, I will tell you about insight into the archipelago and its implementation in the field of education. Indonesian national identity. National identity is a term that consists of two words, namely identity and national. Literally, identity is a characteristic or sign attached to someone or something that is usable to distinguish it from something else. The word national is an identity attached to groups that are determined because of similarities, whether cultural, religious, physical, desires, or ideals. So, national identity is the national personality or national identity of a nation that distinguishes the nation from other nations. Why is it important? Because that is what makes the difference between one nation and another. For me, the identity of the Indonesian nation includes the ideology and traditions and culture of Indonesia itself. Indonesia has a distinctive ideology that is different from other countries, namely Pancasila. As a value system, Pancasila is unique, where these Pancasila values have a fixed and sequential position and cannot be separated from one another. On the other hand, the values of Pancasila are universal values, which other nations don't implement currently and thoroughly. That is where the difference between the Indonesian nation and the other nation lies. Then, other aspect that become the identity of the Indonesian nation, namely tradition and culture. Indonesia has a variety of traditions and cultures that are recognized to the world, such as Saman dance, batik, gamelan, wayang art, and bambu angklung, where all these traditions have been included in the UNESCO Cultural Heritage List. Indonesia also has traditions and historic building arts that are included in one of the 7 wonders of the world, namely the Borobudur Temple. Second, Archipelago Insight. According to the GBHN in 1998, which states that the archipelago perspective is the perspective and attitude of the Indonesian people regarding themselves and their environment in the implementation of social, national, and state life. In simple terms, we can conclude that insight into the archipelago is a way for us to get to know the Indonesian people as well as a sense of love for our homeland. The perspective in question includes a political, economic, social, cultural, defense, and security unit, and one of them is education. Education is crucial for a country. The progress or failure of a country is determined by the extent to which the country masters science and technology. The implementation of Archipelago Insight in the field of education is oriented to building the nation's character in order to realize strong national resilience, where the object of this education focuses on educators, students, curriculum, facilities, and infrastructure that become a solid supporter of the establishment of education itself. As we know that the majority of Indonesian children's mindset is value above all, without considering soft skills, which are far more important than that. This all happened because of the teacher's mistake in teaching, where all students were required to be able to learn in all fields of study, as well as errors in the education system adopted. In addition, Indonesia is still ranked 74th out of 79 countries in the world, based on the results of the Program for International Student Assessment Survey, which means that the quality of education in Indonesia is still far from good. So in conclusion, we as students who have a national spirit should know what we have to do. We have to maintain the national identity that we have and help build the nation's character to improve the quality of Indonesian education in order to form a quality human research and already compete in the international arena. That's all from me. Sorry if there are any mistakes. Unzur makola wala tangzur mangkola. Thank you and see you again.